PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic. How can I help you?
Good morning. My hair transplant was 4 months ago, and I don't see any results. Why is that?
After a hair transplantation procedure, the implanted hairs are integrated into the body over the first 8 to 12 days. The hairs are in shock due to the procedure, and almost all your hair will fall out in the weeks following the transplantation. The follicles will remain in place, but hair growth will not begin until after the first 1 to 3 months. This is a natural process, so even if you do not see results 4 months after your procedure, do not worry. The hairs will begin growing in the months to come.
How long after the hair transplantation until I get visible results?
After 4, 5, 6 months, slowly but surely the implanted hairs will begin growing. Your hair will get longer and thicker each month, but you will have to wait 10-12 months for the final results.
Will my hair in the implanted area be as long as on the other parts of my head?
Of course, implanted hair, apart from being resistant to the hormone DHT, which is responsible for hair loss, is the same as the hair that has fallen out of the target area. Because we use the patient's hair for every implantation procedure, its color and texture will be the same as the rest of their hair. This means if you have black, curly hair, then this is the type of hair that will grow in the implanted area. There will be no noticeable difference. Our clinic's specialists can create such a perfect hairline, the most prominent part of the head, that no one will know you have had a hair transplantation procedure. You can style, cut, dry, and color the hair that will begin to grow in the recipient area after a few months, the same way you do the rest of your hair.
Great, thank you very much.
Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions during the year after your procedure. We will see you in a year for your follow-up visit. For similar content, subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.